outrage after a postal worker was caught on camera dumping mail. Look at these images showing a mailman throwing mail into a popular dump site. 41 Action News reporter Charlie Keegan went to that site at 45th and Garfield and met with the man in charge of investigating dumping crimes.
Well, let me give you a look here around 45th and Garfield. The city calls this one of its top 3 illegal dump sites, and you can see all sorts of trash here. But what we noticed this morning, as you look down the embankment, down the hill here, actually a couple of representatives from the USPS are here, and they're cleaning up some of the mail that the city found here. Now, I want to talk to Alan Ashers, who is the city's illegal dumping investigator and specialist, and I guess tell us a little bit about how you discovered what appears to be mail being dumped here by a Postal Service employee.
Sure. I was looking through our surveillance camera footage and noticed a mail vehicle sitting here, which is not unusual. A lot of people take their breaks here. But once he left, I found some mail that wasn't here when he pulled up. Just little white letters like you would see in your mailbox. Looked a little suspicious, so I came out here and I started taking a look around, and I found some letters and stuff like that. But then I started noticing a trail of flyers and other things lead me to the side of this hill here where there's just bundles and bundles of mail that were dumped down the side of this hill here.
And now what's it like to see this morning, the USPS here actually cleaning some of it up?
Well, it's fantastic. It could sat here for, until the city cleans this area up once a month on its own. You just can't afford to come out and clean it up every darn day, or we would be.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Alan. And Alan was telling me that he'll send out a court summons to the individual there who was on surveillance camera dumping this mail. And then I did speak with the USPS, and the spokesperson said that this is not consistent actions that represent the values of the Postal Service, and they are investigating these claims, and they could not comment any more until their investigation is complete. In Kansas City, I'm Charlie Keegan, 41 Action News.